nothing to put belief in. As soon as we inside the ocean, pretending land was our home, couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful.
Happy Fiesta, guys.
Guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back, while I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow. It is just enough to get by. Oh, now I know the time I've got. It is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by.
Adobong bulate. Okay na to. Kain na tayo. Tapos, may sasalang. Pasok mo yan. Sarado mo. Ikot pa. Wait lang. Tama yan.
Ano to dun sa ano? Mga kanto. Yung isang side muna.
Ito muna tayo, Ber.
Tapos hihilain natin pag ganun tayo. Yan. Secure. Kaya mo? Hapakan mo yung ano, yung gitna, tapos satakan natin. Hapakan mo yung ano, pinakagitna. Tapos, yan. Yan. Dito sa kabila. Oh, madali lang siya lipat oh. Stop lang.
Saan ba picture taking ninyo? Lahat. Tama yun, Ber, kasi matakaw si Tintin. Diyan ang sarado mo. Para mahuhuli agad, no? Umiikot kasi yan eh.
Dalawa yung oat, ay yung net niya.
Isa lang pinili ko.
Ay, sarap. Ay, akala ko may net sa kabila. May bintana ako doon, masisilip ko kung sino yung pupunta.
Oo.
Tama mo.
No, basta sumabit. Ganyan siya.
Masyado ka sumasan doon.
Ah, meron din sa loob.
It's in the past now. Oh, yeah.
Nakabunot. Kung may gusto, subagot. Swerte naman, subagot.
Kuya Bundat to. Kuya Bundat. Oo, Kuya Bundat. Susunod!
At siya nung nakabulong.
Bang.
Pwedeng may sasagot din na iba. Kung halimbawa nakaka-relate din sa akin. Ano ba?
What's something your... Kaya pa yung friend. Translate natin.
Uwi ata to. Umuwi na tayo ng Bulacan.
What's something your friend?
Okay, teka. Ulit.
Teka lang.
Ulitin mo. Ulitin mo.
What's something your parents hindi mo magagawa to your future kids?
Ano yung ginawa ng magulang mo na hindi mo magagawa sa mga anak mo? Kapag feeling mo, hindi para sa akin to. Kapag feeling mo wala kang kasama, paano mo hinaharapan mo?
May oras ba na mas pinili mong manahimik kaysa mag-open up topic?
You sold me out, I did not notice. It's been going on for a while. When grace is gone, I can see all things so clear. It was all pretend. I can find a higher line over the clouds above. I can find a higher ground. I just have to reach past the summit to light, to reach higher love.
Taktay video yata to. Video?
With S.
Hanggang saan?
Linis yan, pinaglagyan ko na lang ng gloves.
Ayusin ko pa. Ito yung gloves ko. Kakain yan pa. Ito oh.
Ay, sige.
Bestseller dito yung kaldereta dyan. Tikman mo lang kahit sabaw.
Isa lang.
Please. Ba't hindi
Patatas
ka
lang.
Kinay. Kinay mo.
Udang.
Ayun na.
Sarap oh. Sarap.
Ako yung pinakamaraming tinulong. Walang ginawa.
Buti alam mo.
Wow.
Wow.
Pawawaw pa kayo dyan eh. Alak ilalagay dyan.
Ay, ganun ba?
Yeah.
Jadi pengi.
Ah.
Mapengi. Oh. No.
Huwag pala.
Wag. Yum.
Nasaan yun?
Mountain Dew?
Guilt mo.
Uy, hipon na naman.
Itiyo. Kala ko.
Hipon na naman.
Ooh.
Dito, ano na siya mama?
Fruity smoothie.
Doon sa folding bed.
Talaga, ang bawal.
Ano sa malamig din?
Last Monday, thought you saw me too, across the track in the subway. Spring turns fast into fall. as I know it's just a phase.
Sarap ba?
Naririnig mo?
So, ayun no. Hey guys, mag-fire show ako guys. So, watch ano maigi.
Last song. Just me.
Let's battle, dali. Infinity.
Never right. I still feel the light in your name. Springtime's fast into fall, and I always wonder how I missed it all. I missed it all. There's beauty in heartache, and I dare to embrace it, as long as I know it's just a phase. What if you would stay a while? I could keep you safe and sound. Give me a minute of your time. We could make it all alright. As soon as you start to go, I'm lost and nobody knows. No matter how life unfolds, no matter how life unfolds, I'll never be in control.
To, ito yung sinayang mo. Sinaing mo.
Ako yung sinaing mo. Natutong.
Wala nang kutsara.
Wala na.
Pero na lang kutsara mga kami.
Yung,
Hoy, tara na! Bye-bye, guys!
Wala na tayong bat baby sa ano. Grupo.
Dapat si ano eh.
Dapat si baby na.
Wala kasing nakasakay eh. Dapat may bata.
Ikaw dapat eh. Ikaw, bata.
Wala si Ethan eh. Kasuntang ko
Ang laki
dito.
naman ng ano, bata niya.
Ay,
Mas matangkad ba sa atin yung bata eh.
si Iyang. Yung ano dyan.
Oo.
Kasi siya dyan.
Siya talaga yung nagtutulak. Hawak ko lang. Diba yan?
Araw-araw sipag lang. Sipag lang. Sige, ayan.
Ay, yamin diba?
Doon oh. Punta tayo doon.
I get the feeling it's a good night. So let's live it up, pick it up, just call me up. Say anything and I'm down. We just like a fire, and we'll just pick it up, don't wanna stop. We'll keep it going all night. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause
Super ganda. Alam mo ba kanina?
Mama Mary.
Kanina, ano? Tawag dun?
Yes po, Mama Mary.
Naantok na ako, tapos bigla ko nakita yung view.
Palawan natin ah.
Super ganda.
For today's video guys, ito ang gagawin natin.
Ipis yan eh. Babae ko name.
Si Bulik! Si Bulik! Sige! Sige! Sige dito! Naka-video na! Bilis! Bilis! Nasa mo!
For the video.
Ako naman.
Okay na yan.
Yung sa amin kasi nakatali na sa taas.
Gusto na lang talaga.
Pwede na tayong bumaba dito. Dito na. Pwede na tayo dito.
Hi. Sukoy mo. May sukoy, sukoy.
Sigaw!
Guys, so super lamig!
Congratulations, Jean. Congrats. Happy birthday, Chloe. Happy birthday, Chloe.
Huwag ka lang ikat nga eh.
Malalim.
Puro sito.
Malalim.
Ay, isay.
Malalim!
Malalim
Malalim doon, magdan. Ano?
Malalim kasi doon.
Malalim na, malalim.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17. used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17.
Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head?